right away I'm gonna be waxing this hairs. Like I'm gonna wax this hair. You know, one thing with waxing is that waxing takes off the hair from the roots. Yeah, it takes it off from the roots. It's unlike when you're shaving. You know, when you're shaving, you're just cutting, it's not coming out from the roots. So just watch me and see the way I wax out this hair now.
So in case you want to do this, you can come to HBM Beauty Clinic. Yeah, we'll get you waxed, like neatly waxed. We also do vagina waxing. That is your VJ shower. So you can just book an appointment with us by sending a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing on the screen.